Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change profile link on LinkedIn. So the first step you need to follow is to open LinkedIn. So once you open, click on your profile picture on the top left and click on settings in the bottom. So once you are here you can see different options. So you simply need to click on visibility and click on edit your public profile. Here you can see edit your custom URL. So this is your profile URL. Click on this pencil icon and now you can change it. So once you change, you simply need to click on save. Here you can see that your custom URL must contain 3 to 100 letters or numbers. Please do not use spaces, symbols or special characters. Make sure you remember this. Once you change, you simply need to click on save. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.